Hi, my name is Fernando Terrazas, and I'm going to show you the process of creating a machine learning project with Azure, the steps for the deployment and getting the best model and getting available for production and consume it with a REST API. Also, we're going to enable logs and monitoring and the documentation. So the first step is we have to have the data set. In this case, we're going to use a bank marketing data set, and we are going to predict the term deposit. So we have to create this new automation learning model. Um, we already have these that are completed. We are going to see some of these. In this case, we already have the bottom ensemble that is the best model, no? And for this result, no, we have different models that has run it. So this is the best model. So we select the best model and we can deploy the model. So we are going to see this here. This is the deployment of the best model. And we can enable logs and consume this model. No? So here we have also the URLs for the documentation. We have the consume. No? These are the steps for connecting and getting the consume the model with the script. I'm going to show you this later. Also, we have the pipelines that we already have. This is the pipeline, and this is the pipeline endpoints. Here you can see that it's active, and you have the REST endpoint. Okay, so I'm going to show you also the steps for doing this with a notebook with SDK. These are the libraries that we're using. These are the libraries for SDK, and all that we're using all the libraries like pandas. We can create or select the experiment. We can also create the clusters that allocate the resources. We can reuse also or create a new one. We can select or create a new data set. We have to train, and we are using in this case the taxes classification, and we are predicting the term deposit, that is this column, and we are using the automation learning model. These are the automation learning steps for the metrics and outputs, and we have to submit this. We have to wait for the completion, and we have the metrics, and we can also select the best model and download the model. No, here we have the testing, to check. We have the confusion matrix to check the prediction of the model, and we have to publish on the REST endpoint. No, here we have the publish on REST endpoint, and how we can consume the model on the pipe is for testing the model. We are using a benchmarking for we have here the information. This is the information of the time to request the model. Also, we have here the result of the endpoint. No. Also, we have we have to enable the documentation. We have for that loading Docker and Docker enable a application for the documentation. Also, you have to run this script to consume the documentation, and also we have to run the steps for running that. Okay, so this is the project. Thank you.